Hello, this is the Earth Tamers, and we have got something special today. It's a mystery box from Kiwi Co., which is a awesomeness for innovators pack for young innovators, sort of like this guy over here. So, we're gonna have him put it together, and then you can try it out. Let's see. Ooh. What's in here? Another box? What's this? So we got Step Gently Out. This is a kid's book. Oh, okay, so look, Vesu. It's a bee. It's a bee. Let's see, I don't know what type of book this is. Oh, it's a candle book by Kiwi and Co. So this one, check out this packaging here. I don't know if you can see that. This Kiwi and Co. Kiwi Co. And it says includes everything you need: cape, felt sticker set, headband, pipe cleaner, bug eye viewer, pouch, string, foam button, 2 wiggle eyes, bug card set, instruction sheet. What have we got here? What is this? It says koala crate. You see this on the back? It's a crate. It's a koala crate. It's holding a koala. I think there's a baby koala in here, Vesu baby. I don't know. And it comes with good tape. Good. Alright, so it comes with a Play and Learn magazine, a crocodile on it. What's all this? Looks like a little mushroom. Here. How big? This looks like keep right there. Alright, so we'll take this. Oh my goodness, is this bug wings? And ta-da! Alright, now what's all this? Let's say we got some felt.
You can decorate
You decorate it, huh? Ooh, we can see we could put all this on there.
Is this a match?
See, it's got a lot of felt colors on here. There's lots of felt shapes on here with all the colors. So we're gonna make him into something a little bit like that. Fell down. All right, you gonna stand up? Stand up. There. All right. Yeah, just like that. And I'm gonna put your wings on. Oh, here. Let's take this off. Let's have you put the wings on. All right. So we're gonna put all this together here. Let's take this out. I didn't know it was a production series here. Let's figure out where all these felts are gonna go. What's this? A little pouch for carrying? Oh my god. So, oh, you want this right here? It's already found the first spot. Ooh. All right, here we go. Boom. Nice. Oh yeah, you want this one here? Yeah. All right, you want some more colors? There. You tell me where you want them. You should put them where you want them to go, and I'll put them on there. Okay. We gotta work as a team. Where do you want these ones to go? These, what shape are these? Rectangles. Right? The blue, yellow. Blue, yellow. This one's kind of an orangish yellow. Alright, so let's take this sticker off. Where do you want to put this one? Sticky. Oh, gotta put it where you want. Cross on it. Right? See, look, you can put the, look, like this. See, so you can put it on this one. This. Alright. Let's make some more shapes. Oh, yeah? Oh, look, we got all set up here. We're gonna make it. We gotta make some antenna while he works on the shapes that he wants. Where are you gonna put that one? You gotta put it somewhere on here. Alright, here we go. We got some antenna. Put these on here. Yeah. Right. You gonna sit down? Uh-oh. You gonna sit down? Alright. And then I got under here. Got some, there's a puzzle you can put together. So a bunch of pieces there. I'm gonna throw these on here. There. And put this one there. This one there. The rest of them on. It's stuck on your finger. Alright. Let's put these ones up here. Big one on there. Oh, that's a good one. Yeah? Where should the eyes go? No, not on your eye. Ooh, you don't put it on there, you put it on here. Alright. Alright, you want to put the cape on? Oh wait, look at all these ones. Still more. Where should these go? Oh. Whoa, cool. Got them all on there. Here, you want this big one? Here. Oh, we gotta get this part off. There you go. Hold it. Wait, don't stick it to you. Ooh, super sticky. Stick it on there somewhere. Where should it go? Oh, is that the spot? Yeah. There's another one. Oh, drop the mushroom. Thank you. Alright. Oh, and this is a kaleidoscope, so when you spin it, see when you spin it, is that cool? Ooh. Here, you want to put this one? Trade you. There you go. And does it, oh, did that go on there? Yeah, let's put it on this side. Alright, this is the last one. We got lots of trash. That's unfortunate. But stickers come with a price. There's a backside to them. Alright, Vesu. Vesu, are you ready? Let's put this on. Oh, wait for what? I think that goes in your bag. I think that goes in your bag here. Alright, then we got the kaleidoscope in here. We're gonna keep this bag and we're gonna put this string. We're gonna weave it. We're gonna sew it kind of through here. Here. Back through the other side. Alright. Ready? Bum, bum, dun. The bug boy's getting his wings. And turning into a butterfly right before my eyes. Alright. Stand over here so they can see you. And I dub the 8 hole. Take your magic pouch and go. Take your magic pouch and go. Up into the bug tree land. Alright. And look at these wings. Ooh. Fly, 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 little butterfly, fly.